Got this Poulan P3314 chainsaw here. I was redoing the fuel lines on it, and I thought I'd show you guys a clear view of how the fuel lines are supposed to be routed, because I watched a bunch of other videos and no one really shows you how it's done clearly. First of all, you have this fuel line right here. This is a thinner line, and I got this kit for it. And that line that I just showed is going to be this green line right here, and that is 5/64 inner diameter, and the outer diameter is a 9/64. And the rest of the other lines are all the thicker lines, which are 3/32 on the outside and 3/16 on the inside. Anyway, this line goes from the right side of the carburetor into that hole right there, and inside would be connected to the fuel filter. And it just lays in the tank like that. Again, here's how the carburetor will be mounted to the chainsaw. Now we have that other line on the left side of the carburetor, and that goes to the small nipple on the purge bulb. And then from the big nipple of the purge bulb, you have another line going into this hole right there in the chainsaw. And that leads into the fuel tank as well. The way that's supposed to work is you put the fuel line in through, and on the other end of it, on the inside, cleared. I'll pull this one out so you guys can see the other line I'm talking about. Oops. That's how it's supposed to sit. Not too deep in the fuel tank, but right there, about at the top. And the way that's supposed to work is you're supposed to push the line through, and you're supposed to have a barb fitting that attaches to the end of that line. And when you pull the line through, that barb fitting would have expanded that fuel line and will not let the fuel line get pulled all the way through. But I lost the barb fitting, so what I did is I just put some gasket maker on there, and I let it dry for about a day. But that's how it is. I hope this helps you guys out. Again, one more time, that's how the carburetor will sit. From the right side, you have the fuel line, the thinner fuel line, going into this hole right here, and it will be attached to the fuel filter on the inside. From the left side, this line goes to the shorter nipple on the purge bulb, and then from the longer nipple on the purge bulb, this line goes into the fuel tank right there. Now I got my lines all pretty long here. I didn't trim them down just to make it easier to see on the video, but I will cut them down and make them shorter so I don't have excess line laying around in here. But that's about it. Hopes this helped you guys out.